How to fix Bluetooth cutting in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth app data and cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Click on three dots more option, click on show system apps and click on search bar and search Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage and cache, and now here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear data or storage, then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, Bluetooth data will be deleted from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth cutting in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.